This is the second part of um, a video that I was doing regarding my price action trend reversal strategy. I'm looking here at the Euro JPY. These are 5-second candles, as you can see here. I'm doing 2-minute trades, trading $100 lot sizes, and I'm trying to determine whether this is a level of. Okay, we're gonna. Oh, this. All right, let's hold off a second. Let's see. All right. Wow. All right. Anyway, um, this was the kind of setup I was looking for, where we have a general downward trend, a bearish trend here, and I'm looking for these levels of support where I think the price is going to reverse. And so it sort of reversed here, but let's sit on this. All right. Okay. Let's hit a call here. All right. So what I just did is I executed a call option on the Euro JPY, because I see here that appears to be a level of resistance here. I mean, a level of support. And this is why I call it the price action trend reversal. I'm looking at the price action here on this currency, and I'm waiting for the currency to reverse. And apparently it's reversed in the way I didn't want it to. But anyway, this is still a good strategy, a good setup here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit probably another call option. Let me hit another call option for $300. I hit a call option for $100. This trade may lose. It probably will lose. So I'm waiting for it to. I'm looking for it to bottom out, because the currency has to reverse at some time, because it's been going downward for some time. Although these are 5-second candles, I'm doing only 2-minute trades, so it's got to reverse at some time. And so what I did is I executed a $300 trade to recover the $100 loss, and to, gain some additional profit, hopefully, on top of that $100 loss. All right, so you see how the currency reversed? And so that's what I've been trying to do. I'm looking for these strong bearish trends or strong bullish trends, and trying to identify where that level of support is in this case level support. But it could also be a bullish trend where I'm looking for that level of resistance at the top. Hopefully we'll try to find another trade that'll I can explain it to you. All right, so I lost that initial trade, which is fine. You're not going to win all your trades. Oh, actually I broke even. Wow, amazing. I broke even on the trade, so close option gave me $70 back. Even though I bid 100, close option gave me $70 back. So I kind of lost $30. All right, so let's monitor this trade. We got 21 seconds left, and hopefully we can come out ahead on this trade for $300. All right, that's good. That's a good bullish. It's pretty close, but hopefully we'll squeak it out. 1 second left. I think we got a winner here, so that's good. All right, so yeah, I was able to recoup. I thought I was going to lose $100, but I was able to get $70 back. But I hit a $300 trade on the Euro JPY, and I got $510. So my balance is up to $2,914. All right, so let's look at, seems like JPY. Let's look at the USD JPY again. I kind of like the Euro JPY and the USD JPY. It seems to be all right. Here it is. Okay. Wait a second. Wait a minute. Oh no. You see here, right up here, this is a level of resistance here, and right at the bottom here is that level of support. So we don't. Let's move on to another currency. Euro, Aussie dollar. What's going on here? All right, it's nothing much. Let's move on. Wait, I just checked out Euro JPY. Let's go to Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. See if we got anything going on here. There was that level of support there, but it shot back up. So we don't really know whether it's going to continue upwards or continue back down. So let's move on to another currency. Okay, we got here. Okay, we got the Euro, New Zealand dollar. Sometimes, it's just best to sit on a particular currency and wait for those bottoms, wait for those levels of support or those top levels of resistance. Instead of what I'm doing, I'm trying to find, and execute trades for y'all just because I have a 15-minute time limit on my videos. And so that's why I'm going through all these currencies. Okay, here we go. We got something going on here. Let's see if it can shoot it. Go back. All right, good. Let's hit a call right here. All right, so there you go. Oh, here we go. See, I made a mistake. I was supposed to do a 2-minute trade. It wound up doing a 30-second. So here we go. I'm gonna do another trade for $100. I accidentally hit a $1 trade for 30 seconds. I forgot to select my time frame and my lot size, my trade size. So this trade is gonna dollar trade. Did it win? No, okay, it lost. I lost the dollar trade because it was only 30 seconds. That's what I'm looking to do 2-minute trades. I'm looking to try to give it time to shoot back up on the trade. Okay, wow, it's working against me. And that's what happens. The trades, these are the markets, so the trades go up and down. I thought I had a level of resistance here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and hit another $300 call option here because I think maybe, we have a new level of support here. Because actually, you see the currency's been on a downward trend. And that's what I use my strategy for. I'm looking for those reversals, those trend reversals. It's been going on a downward trend, but I'm looking for that pop. So okay, we got a minute left on this trade. We're sort of at a break-even level here. Let's just watch this trade, keep our eye on this trade. But yeah, these are the kind of setups I'm looking for. Okay, so I did lose that $100. So I already put in another call for $300 here. You got 46 seconds left. Let's see what happens here. But as you can see here, it's sitting on this level here. Um, okay, just pop back up a little bit. Wow, okay, yeah, all right. Okay, looks good. Yes. So great, awesome. So you see, folks, I was able to recover that $100 loss, and I tripled up on my trade size because I thought I had hit a level of support there, but it was actually a lot lower. And so that's why I tripled up to recover that $100 loss and make some extra profit on top of it. So my balance is up to 29.93. All right, let's go to another currency. Let's see. Let's go back to the Euro JPY. See what it's doing. Okay. All right, nothing there. Let's go to the USD JPY, see what's going on with that currency. All right, nothing there. All right, so let's see if we can find another. Let's see, Great British Pound, Canadian dollar. No, you see, this is the level of resistance, level of support down here, sort of in the middle. So we don't know what's going on there. So let's move on. Aussie dollar, US dollar. What's going on here? Okay, we got something going on here. All right. See, all right, let's do $100 quick. Let's do $100 call here. Why I did it? Because I'm looking at this trend line here. It's even though it's going sideways, this general trend is downward, and I think it's sort of bottomed out here. It should have bottomed out, but let's see what happens here. Hopefully, it'll pop in the next 2 minutes and get on a bullish trend. But basically, um, it's been, going downwards for the most part. It doesn't want to go anywhere. It's still sitting on that level. It's still sitting on that level there. Okay, wow, okay, it popped down. So this is an example of the trade. It worked against me here, but I mean, we got 53 seconds left. It could still pop back up. Let's see what happens. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set up another $300 trade in case this one loses. If it does lose, we'll just all right, so it's sort of here we go back to that same level again. It's like it wants to, okay, it shot back down again. It doesn't know what it wants to do. All right, this was a break-even trade. It actually was a break-even trade. So close option, which is the platform I'm using, gave me back $65. When you break even on this platform, you get back a certain amount of your money. But I still lost 35 on the trade, but this happened. So this is how, trading works. And I still can't figure it out. All right, let's do another call. All right, hopefully this time it seems like you see this long wick here, and then we got this green bullish here. Let's see if we can get a win on this trade and not another break even. Okay, it's looking good. Yeah, so sometimes you miss those levels of support. Like I missed that level of support around here somewhere, and it kept going down. So eventually, the currency has to go back up. It just can't keep going down, down, down forever. So that's why I like this strategy because I think it's one of the better strategies. I don't use indicators software to do my trades. I basically look at price action on these currencies, and it looks like okay, we got 33 seconds left, but I'm gonna let's wait till this finishes up here. Wow. And it's gonna finish a winner. The video is gonna shut down right now, but it's